I started plumbing when I was 13 years old. That was when it all kicked off. And as I grew in the trade and I learned more and more skills, I began to realize what an amazing career it is. And I saw the opportunity. When I was about 19, I made a permanent decision. It's like, this is a direction for my life I can take and make a really great living. And it's been a great choice. Man, people come in here and they're making six figures doing plumbing work. Like, people really can't imagine what a great business opportunity this is for young people to go into this. One of the coolest parts about the trades, whether it's air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, is that you get paid while you learn. It's an apprenticeship program, and so you're getting on-the-job training. So you're getting paid hourly while you're learning, and after about 4 years, you've got a license that you can do something with and make a lot of money.